Hello, everyone. And so here we are looking at the XAU USD. This is the gold chart. We're looking at the 4-hour chart. And we just had some news about 30 minutes ago. And all we saw was what I call a knee-jerk reaction. Okay, that it went up very quickly to about 2039. And now it has started to go down. So that's a little bit strange because the news was very bad for the U.S. economy, the news that came out about 30 minutes ago with the durable goods. It was much worse than forecast. So that's why gold started to move up. You know, if the news is bad for the U.S., then gold is good for gold. But we saw gold only went up momentarily and then started to fall down. But actually, if you look at the 1-hour chart, gold has been around this 2039 level for 6 hours. And this is what we would call overbought. And now it's time for gold to head down to lower prices. So what have we been seeing for maybe the longer term? You see, we're really just in between 2030. That's where the blue line is. We're between 2030 and 2040. We hit 241 on Friday last week. It did not get that high yesterday, but it's tried to get that high today. So in that very tight range, only $10 range between 230 and 240. Yeah, it dropped a little bit lower than that yesterday. It got down to 2025, but came right back up and then started the day at 2030, 2029 in that zone. So this is a very tight $10 range, 100 pips between 2030 and 2040. And the information on the screen is the same as yesterday. Okay, day one chart is neutral and the H4 chart is bullish. And when you see the 4-hour chart turning bullish, that could be a good indication that gold is going to turn bullish on the day chart. Sometimes that can happen. It gives us like an advance notice, so to speak. But what we're looking at above 2025, which now we're at 2034, above 2025, gold is bullish. The bulls have control. The bulls have control. Gold is bullish above 2025. So you want to be cautious. You don't want to be selling gold. Just be very, very cautious, maybe even wait a day or two to see which way it's going to break out. All right, it's going to go one way or the other. It's either going to break above this 2040 level and then continue higher, or it's going to break below 2030 and continue lower. But when it's trading in this very tight range here, it's hard to make a trading decision. I did have a buy trade earlier yesterday, and my take profit was 2039, so that closed earlier today. My buy trade closed earlier today. So now I'm standing by. I'm just standing by to wait and see what happens. We cannot predict the market. All right, we just react to what we see. And right now, for the last several days, Friday and then yesterday and today, we see gold has no clear direction. And that's what the day chart is telling us. Day one is neutral. Neutral means no clear direction. It's not long, it's not short. It's neutral. That means, for me, that means no trade. All right. Better to just wait. Be patient. Okay. You can go and trade something else if you want. Go and trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very exciting right now. I think it's going to 58,000 today. It's really moved up $6,000 in the last 24 hours. Just amazing. Very exciting chart to watch. So go and trade Bitcoin. You don't have to trade gold every day. We have no clear direction on gold. All right, so you can trade something else if you just have to trade, or you can just relax and enjoy your time off. That's a good idea too. So what I'm telling you is don't chase the candles. Be cautious, okay? Don't be greedy. Gold is continuing down. It might go down to 2030. But now we have some more news coming. The consumer index news is coming in about 45 or 50 minutes. It's coming on the hour in about 45 or 50 minutes. So let's wait and see what that news is. And then we might have a better indication of what gold is going to do during the US session. All right, but for now, no clear direction. All right, let's just wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, love, and share. I really appreciate that. And if you have any comments or questions, what do you think gold is going to do? Let me ask you that question. What do you think that gold is going to do? Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Just leave your comment below this video and I will reply to you. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.